How to take a screenshot of Snap without them knowing. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can take a screenshot of a snap someone has sent you without them knowing. So as you can see, I have two devices. Now I have sent a snap from this device to my device. So in this video, I'll show you how you can take a screenshot without the other person knowing. So to do that, first of all, let me open my Snapchat. And once you've done that, let me go to my chat. Now as you can see, this is the snap this phone has sent me. So in order to take a screenshot, simply open the snap and then tap on these three lines on the top right corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on the option remix snap. So now it will show you your front camera. So all you have to do is simply cover up your front camera and then take a photo. Now once you've done that, this snap will be yours. So all you have to do is simply take a screenshot. And then as you can see, I've successfully taken a screenshot of the snap that person has sent me. Now let me discard this and then go back. Now as you can see, now if I go to my gallery, I will find the screenshot over there. So let me show you real quick. So as you can see, this is the snap they sent me and I've taken a screenshot, but in this case it hasn't shown that I have taken a screenshot. So that is basically how you can take a screenshot of a snap someone has sent you without them knowing. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.